This animated video has generated a staggering 22 million views and the channel earns around $5,000 per month. Similarly, there is another channel with similar number of views that rakes up approximately $6,000 per month. Furthermore, there is yet another channel that focuses on creating simple animated stories and manages to generate $7,000 in monthly earnings, and they got almost all of their success just within the past 3-4 months. With these remarkable success stories, you might already understand the immense potential and profitability of animated videos on YouTube. And you don't need to be an animator to create these captivating animated stories. In fact, you can easily make them within just a few minutes regardless of your skill level. It's a fantastic opportunity to tap into a lucrative market and unleash the creativity without any barriers. Hey, welcome back. This is SD, and in this video I will show you how effortlessly you can create animated videos using Canva, a user-friendly design platform. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned creator, Canva is suitable for all. You don't need to be a tech expert to do this. And with the help of Canva, you can create animated videos within just few minutes. But before that, make sure to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos like this. Now let's dive in and discover how you can bring your own animated stories to life easily. Step 1. Get started with Canva. To start your animation journey, visit Canva's website and create a free account. Once you are logged in, click on Create a Design and select Custom Size. This will allow you to choose a perfect canvas size for your animated videos. Alternatively, you can do this from the main screen where I am currently on. From here, you can easily navigate to the video section where you will find various options for type of video you can create, such as TikTok, Instagram Reel, or any other style you prefer. Now I am clicking on YouTube video to enter in the editing section. Step 2. Choosing a background. Now let's choose a beautiful nature theme background for the animated video. Click on the Elements tab and select Background. Browse through the collection of photos and graphics, or use the search bar to find background that resonates with your vision. I will search for a meadow scene and will apply it to my canvas with a single click. Step 3. Adding elements. Now I will add some elements such as trees or other objects to enhance the visual appeal. I will add more trees here to make it more attractive. Adding a group of trees in this area will enhance the overall scene. To make the video more visually appealing, let's add some animated birds and butterflies to the scene. Go to the Elements tab once again and select Graphics. Then type birds in the search bar and choose a birds illustration that suits your style. Resize, rotate and position it onto the canvas as desired. Repeat the same process for butterflies. Typing butterflies in the search bar and selecting the appropriate illustrations of butterflies. Step 4. Creating animations. Now comes the fun part, animating our elements. Click on the birds that placed on the canvas. Then you will notice a menu bar at the top. Select the animate option and explore the available animation effects. Then click on Create an Animation. Then drag the elements around the path you want it to be animated. Repeat this step for butterflies as well, assigning a suitable animation path to them. And the best part is you can animate any objects with this method. I am showing you another example. See how fast I will be able to create a high quality 2D animation. I will animate these ducks in the same way I animated the birds and the butterflies. And let's move on to the next scenes. I will add some clouds and the cloud will drift away like that. This is just to give you an idea how easily you can create professional animations for your YouTube channel. And you can write your story using Sugo AI and add a voiceover using SpeakTTS to create a highly engaging animated YouTube videos. As you can see, these channels are also making thousands of dollars every month from these kinds of animated videos. And you don't need any experience for that. You can do it easily with the help of Canva like I showed you. To make your visuals more appealing, let's move on to the next part. Step 5. Adding text. Alright, to enhance your story, you can include some text. Click on the Text tab to choose a font that matches your video's theme. Type in your desired message such as Kids Moral Story and position it strategically on the canvas. Feel free to experiment with different font styles, size and colors to make it more visually appealing. But our video still feels kind of boring, isn't it? Don't worry. We will solve it in the next part. Step number 6. Adding sounds and background music. A well-chosen background music can elevate the overall impact of your animated video. Click on the Audio tab to explore Canva's extensive audio library. Search for calming nature-themed music or forest ambient sounds that sets the right tone for your video. By clicking on these 3 lines, you will have the freedom to choose between vocals, instrumentals, or simple effects. Once you find the perfect track, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. I hope it has given you a clear understanding of how to add animations and how everything works. When you are satisfied, you can download the video as MP4 file. Simply click on this download option and it will save as a video file that you can upload to the YouTube. Now you know how to create animations. But you will need a script or story based on which you will create the animations. Then you will need a perfect voiceover, thumbnails, and choosing a perfect channel name is also important. But thankfully, you can do all of this within minutes with the help of AI. Check out the video right here to see how I created a faceless YouTube channel from scratch with the help of AI. If this tutorial was helpful to you, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.